Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be sowing, I can't even pronounce that, Hostiparinium, passion mixed colours, half-hardy annual. All the instructions are there. It's 18 to 20 Celsius, free draining damp compost, apply a fine sprinkling of vermiculite over the top, and it usually takes 10 to 14 days. So I've already filled the tray with compost, as you can see there. I've flattened it down with a piece of wood, like so. And then all you need to do is open your seeds up. So look at these bad boys, shall we? These are nice big seeds. I wish all seeds were this size. As you can see they're really nice size, these. And these need a covering with vermiculite, so to that big you can actually place these. I'm using a tray and splitting it in two. So just in rows like that. Gotcha. So if there's any more in here, yeah, you always get some stuck in the bottom, so remember, peel it down the edge. There's another one. There's another one. And then just give them, this is vermiculite, just give them a light covering like so. And then just water them. Because they're going in a propagator, as I said before, you just give them a gentle water. You don't need to absolutely drench them. And once the water starts coming out the bottom, you know you've watered them enough. So where's the name tag for them gone? If you can find it. Here we go. So, yeah, that's the instructions. Hostiparinium, passion mixed colours, half-hardy annual. So yeah, now they've been watered, these are going to heat a propagator. The compost I've used is 50% peat, and I've covered them with a little bit of vermiculite. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like the videos, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and remember, happy growing, happy sowing.